Suitable for mom? Yeah, I think it's because since mom was from US, right? So I think this is suitable since it's literature, but where we can get this? This is the literature that we want to do for mom, right? Yes, let's go check it out. Okay, let's go. Excuse me, miss? Yes? We want to buy the literature. Yes. Okay, so we are here to apply for a personal function room, which is to buy an electric chair for a mom that suffers through. What are the things to be provided? Can you tell me the total cost of the chair electric? Okay, this is the total purchase amount. We had deposited 10% and the net total is 10,000. 10,000, okay? Yeah. So our bank offer you a finance rate of 10%, right? And compounded money. So for many pay like this, I suggest a short loan period of 2 years, 24 months. So you can pay it back. Okay, thank you, miss.
So, let's take a look at this scenario involving two siblings who decided to borrow 10,000 ringgit to purchase a premium electric wheelchair for their mother. The loan is for 2 years and it is compounded monthly at an annual interest rate of 8%. Now, let's break down the values. Which is A equal to 10,000, that's the amount borrowed. T equal to 2 years, this is the loan period. The annual interest K is 8% or 0.08 as a decimal. Since the loan is compounded monthly, M equals to 12 months in a year. To find the monthly interest rate, we divide K by M. I equal to 0.08 divided by 12, which is give 0.00667. Finally, we calculate the total number of payment, which is N equals to 12 times 2, which equal to 24 total payments. All this value will help us calculate the monthly repayment on the next slide. Now, let's take a look at how to calculate monthly repayment. The formula that I use, A equal to R times the fraction of 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N over I, where R is the monthly repayment, that is the value we are trying to find. So now we substitute the value that I have mentioned before in the formula. 10,000 equal to R times the fraction of 1 minus 1 plus 0.00667 to the power of negative of 24 over 0.00667. We calculate the part in the bracket first, that the whole fraction is equal to 22.11. So R equal to 10,000 divided by 22.11. That give us R equal to 452 ringgit and 27 cents.
To find out the total interest rate over the entire loan period, we use the formula which is equal to N times R minus A. Let me explain the formula first. A is the total interest rate, N is the number of months in the loan period, R is the monthly repayment, and A is the original amount of the loan. In this equation, the sister borrowed 10,000 ringgit and the monthly repayment is 452 ringgit and 37 cents. The loan period is 2 years, which is equal to 24 months. Now we calculate the total amount paid. 24 months times 452 ringgit and 37 cents. It is equal to 10,854 ringgit and 48 cents. Next, we subtract the original loan amount, 10,854 ringgit and 48 cents minus 10,000, which is equal to 854 ringgit and 48 cents. So the total interest rate to fund HAWA over 2 years is 854 ringgit and 48 cents.
Now for question C, let's say a year goes by, Ms. Hazi and Dina successfully pay their monthly installment for 12 months, but suddenly they want to clear and settle all their remaining debt to Mrs. HAWA at once. To find the outstanding balance, we look at the remaining payments left. Since 24 minus 12 equals to 12, our end value is equal to 12 months. Using the same present value formula, we substitute our values. The outstanding balance equals to 452 ringgit and 27 cents multiplied by the fraction 1 minus 1 plus 0.0067 to the power of negative 12 over 0.0067. We calculate the part in the bracket first, and the whole fraction is equal to 11.4955. To Then we multiply 452 ringgit and 27 cents by 11.4955, which equals to 5,199 ringgit and 20 cents. This is the exact lump sum they need to pay to fully finish their loan early.
Oh no, we haven't paid the wheelchair for 4 months. Yeah, my business is a bit slow lately. So, do you think we can use our family file for this? Yes, anything for mom. Okay, tomorrow I will meet Miss Howard to settle down this, okay? Okay, alright.
Next comes to the main problem in our video storyline, which is YUSRY's business goes through a hard time and both she and Dina are unfortunately missed for consecutive monthly payments. So, to find out exactly how much they must pay per hour in the next period to clear all these missed payments and fix their account, we have to calculate the accumulated amount, which is S. But before we look at the formula, let's mention how we find our monthly interest rate I. The value of I is obtained by the formula I equal K over M, and K is represent our annual interest rate of 8% or 0.08. Meanwhile, M is represents the number of compounding periods in year, which is 12 months. When we divide 0.08 by 12, it gives us our monthly interest rate I, which is equal to 0.0067. So since these payments are moving forward in time, they will grow with interest. So we switch to the future value formula. They need to pay for the 4 missed months plus the 1 current month, which equals to a total of 5 payment periods, so N equal to 5. So the formula we use is S equal to R times the fraction of 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. So let's substitute the value. S is equal to 452 ringgit and 27 cents times the fractions of 1 plus 0.0067 to the power of 5 minus 1 over 0.0067. We calculate that part in the bracket first, then we multiply the whole fractions by 452 ringgit and 27 cents, and that gives us the final answer, which is S equal to 2,291 ringgit and 17 cents.
So, to clear all the areas and keep their contract with 1 hour going normally, YUSRY and Din have to pay a total lump sum of 2,991 ringgit and 70 cents in that time. This scenario proves that if we miss our payments, compounding interest will quickly multiply our debt and make it much bigger. And that is the complete mathematical breakdown for our video scenario.